Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for coming by. Today we have the Allure Beauty Box and I'm so excited because this is the beauty box that is their collab with Huda Beauty. So we have a couple of full-size Huda Beauty products in here which are going to be fantastic. And also I'm going to add, which is different for me, at the end of the video they've already put out all of the August spoilers. So I'm going to put those on my video, but not until the very end, and I will give you plenty of time to go away if you don't have any interest in knowing what they are. But I wanted to let you know in case you had any interest in signing up, which by the way, I will put my link below. But I just wanted you to know, since I already knew, what's coming in next month's box. Okay, let's get into this month's box. So in case you don't know, Allure Beauty Box is a once monthly beauty subscription that's $15. We generally get 6 products and they can be sample size and full size, but there's usually at least a couple of full size products in here and they're usually pretty good brands too. So let's get in and see what we've got. Yay! So here is our little pamphlet that we get with Huda Katan right on the front. Isn't she pretty? She's so pretty. And this is what we have inside. Look at that nice bag. I have seen everybody unboxing and this bag is so bright and pink this month. This is the first bag that I've been like, please don't be ripped, please don't be ripped. And it doesn't seem to be. My ring light, you guys probably can't get it, but it's making this almost like an orange trim. It is so pretty. I know, what are you gonna do with a plastic bag? I don't know, I might carry something in it for the wedding this weekend. Okay, still left in the box, not with the bag, we have the lips, the Alluring Lips from Huda Beauty. And they are a bright red. I've heard some people say they are a coral red. So we're about to put that to the test because a coral red lip, as a rule, is not the best lip for me. A true blue red is because my skin tone is pink and blues. But before I put this on, let's see what our nice book has to say about it. It's the very first thing in here. Glasses. So this is an Allure Beauty Box exclusive. You're only going to get this in the Allure box in this color. The Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Alluring. Finally, I've been dying to tell you all about the stunning orange red lip color that we created with Huda Beauty for your July Beauty Box. As in, you can only get this tube of bright matte summer perfection right here. It says at the bottom, so we'll put this to the test. It looked amazing on 5 Allure beauty editors with 5 very different skin tones, and just like that, Alluring was born. It doesn't have a price on this, but I do know that these lips not in this color are $20, so I'm sure it would be the same $20 price point. Ooh, it does look a little orange to me. I don't know if you guys can tell that, but let's go ahead and see what we get. So I don't know how this is coming across to you guys, but to me, it is more orange than red. That said, I don't hate it. It's not a color that I can usually wear, and it's definitely not a color that is like a teeth whitening color. You know how, this is not one of those, at least not for me with my skin tone. But it's already drying down. I love this Huda formulation, and it smells so good. It smells just like vanilla. It smells like you've opened a bottle of vanilla. So I like that. I think that it's a color that I'll wear, especially since I've used it. So I'm gonna lean in case it gives you a truer color. I hope that's not too much. And you can see that it is very on my skin tone. The orange really pops against the pink of my skin tone. But that was kind of fun, and I kind of like it. It doesn't look bad with my shirt, actually. All right. Like I had a plan. I mean, I had a plan. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. I should show you actually the box though. This is the inside of the box this month, and they put Huda at the bottom, and at top it says, with passion and purpose, every dream is possible. It's a lovely box. Okay, let's see what's in the bag. First thing out, a little Hangover RX Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. Maybe it's probably the lipstick that, That's what it looks like in the box. And this is definitely a sample size. I was looking around for my glasses. and it is 5 ml, 0.16 fluid ounces. And I have used this in the past, and I like it, but I will tell you, I have so many primers that I'm using right now. Like the Touch and Soul primer is like a holy grail primer for me. And I have a Tatcha primer and a few others. So I'm going to take this and do what we've been doing. Add it to the giveaway. If you haven't entered my giveaway, I'll put the link up here. You should go do it. Let's see what they say about the Hangover RX in the book. So apparently that was a variation. I got the Hangover RX, but you could have gotten the Benefit Cabral Gel Brow Color or an Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. So those were the 3 options. And I got the Hangover. And it says, I will say what I always say when I read these. This is written from one of the beauty editor's perspectives, and this says, I used this primer before I went out, and it definitely lived up to its name. I fell asleep with my makeup on. And when I woke up, my foundation and highlighter were still intact. So there you go. Full size is $34, but like I said, that is not full sized. Okay, next we have the Samantha No. 7 Classic Eyelashes. These are, I'm gonna take them out in case they are reflecting for you guys. These are enormous. I can't imagine with my little eyes. I mean, that's a lot of eyelash. I'm gonna keep them because I keep saying that I'm gonna do like maybe a live where I try and put them on, or a video, but I'm afraid if I do a video, I'll edit it and you guys won't see any of the good parts. So I keep thinking that I'm gonna do one where I put on lashes. So those would be a good one to try. Let's see what the book says about them. So that is another one of the Huda products that we have. Huda Beauty Classic Lash in Samantha. These false lashes are one of Katan's all-time best sellers, and it's easy to see why. They look dramatic in the box, but when I put them on, they were wispy and pretty. They looked more like fresh lash extensions than a crazy fan of false lashes. And they're $20, so that's another great thing. The other Huda thing we have is the K. Ali Vanilla 28 perfume sample. Let's try it. It's just the nice little sample size. And that is what it looks like. Let's see what it smells. Oh, see what it smells like. It smells like vanilla. It's really pretty. Orchid, Tonka Absolute, Brown Sugar, Amber Woods, and Musk. It is very heavy on the sweet parts of that, not the musk part. But it is really lovely. Next, I have the Tony Moly Intense Care Gold Snail Hydrogel 24 karat mask. This is a big mask. I mean, that's a big mask. So I would like to act like a grown-up about this, but I just can't. There's not a chance in, pick a word you'd like to insert here that is dramatic, that I'm putting this on my face. It is Snail Secretion Filtrate. I'm not putting snail secretion on my face. I just can't. I can't. But guess what that means? Maybe you can. We'll add this back here and you will have yet another face mask to try. Let's see what the book says about our nice snail secretions. I really would like to be a grown-up about this, but I just can't. This says, I know it sounds gross and sticky, but this sheet mask is infused with snail mucin. The slimy stuff actually, shockingly, feels heavenly on a hot summer day. It's cooling and hydrating and plumps my skin immediately. Plus, there's a real benefit to snail mucin, a popular K-beauty skincare ingredient. It's a complex mix of peptides, antioxidants, glycosaminoglycans. I'm sure I nailed that. Hyaluronic acid, zinc, copper, iron, and manganese. And this is a dermatologist saying this. It's a powerful cocktail that helps soften lines, calm inflammation, and promote collagen production over time. I'm still a no. So, again, Go into my giveaway. Maybe you can win Snail Mucin. Okay, and last I have the Way Texturizing Hairspray. That is awesome. I love the Way products. They just work for me. I have enjoyed every one of them that I've tried, except they have a dry shampoo that is a foam dry shampoo. And when I put it in my hair, it leaves my hair separated, I guess is the best way of saying it. This, by the way, is a very mature day 2 hair. Yeah, I'm bragging. You know I don't like it. Let's see what this does. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I just love the Way products. I love the Way scent. Yay! So I'm super happy to try this. Let's see what the book says about it. Okay, this says, Jen Atkin, the hairstylist behind Way, is the master of full, sultry waves, so it makes perfect sense that her texturizing spray would be the best of its kind. Okay, so it's not technically a hairspray, it is a texturizing hairspray, like not a holding hairspray, because it goes on to say that a lot of others attempt to create beachy bends, but they just leave my hair crunchy or exactly the same. This formula gave me pretty soft volume all over. Okay, well that's good to know. I don't think I'm gonna get beachy waves, but I could probably get volume, and I love the scent. Okay, so that was my Allure box. I got the Way Texturizing Spray, the Huda, which even though I've been talking through it, this formulation is fantastic. Even if the color is not perfect for me, I do kind of like it. And we have the false eyelashes and the little perfume sample. And back here we've added the Hangover RX Primer and the nice Tony Moly Snail Mask. So I think that was another fun box this month. I just got back to the book because what I didn't tell you is that the Way, this is 1.4 ounces and the Way full size is 4.5 ounces and it's $26. And also, I don't think that I told you that this nice snail mask is a $10 product. So you're well informed. Okay, so this or this, either one of them is more than covering the box. I mean, these two products here are $40. $10 snail mask, $50. And then the rest are just samples. So I usually don't count samples when I'm doing the pricing, but even $50 worth of really nice products for a $15 box can't be beat. So next what I have for you are the August spoilers. I'm just gonna run through them really quickly. So if you have no interest in that, thank you for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I put up more videos, and I'll see you soon. But if you have interest in seeing what the August spoilers are, in case you have any interest in signing up, by the way, I will put my link below. Stay tuned, I'm gonna show them to you. Okay, so if you're here for the spoilers, there are 7, and we'll go through them quickly. The first one that we have is the Cargo Cosmetics Essential Lip Color, and this is what it looks like. We are receiving a $22 full size, and the shades will vary. The next one we have is the Mini Makeup Eraser, and this is what that looks like. We are receiving the mini eraser in black, and it has a $12 retail. And next we have an Erno Laszlo product, and it is the Multitask Eye Serum Masks. And this is what that looks like. We're getting 1 pack of these, and when you purchase them, you get 6 packs for $35. Next, we have the Nuria Defend Triple Action Eye Cream, and here's that. This will be full size and has a retail value of $40. Then we have the Lorenzi Liquid Beam in Topaz. This is what that looks like. This highlighter is also full-sized and has a retail value of $22. And we have the Benefit They're Real Mascara. This is what that looks like. For this product, we are receiving the sample size, but the full size would be $25. And next, I am excited about this one because it is new to Sephora, and it is the Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream. And here's that. We are receiving the sample size 5 ml, but a 50 ml at Sephora is $40. So all in all, we have $116 worth of products next month. It's $15 if you're a subscriber, and if you are new and you sign up, it's only $10 for your first month. So that's a great buy. I'm just saying, I love it when I know what's gonna come out, especially if I'm thinking about signing up. So thanks for coming by, guys, and sticking around for the spoilers. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I put up more videos, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.